Yabona mase kuyisikhathi sakho sokuthi uphumelele uyophumelela nangendlela engaqondakali ukuthi isikhatsini. Abantu bayibuza ukuthi hayibo kwenzakaleni lapha. Baphendula bathi noma madoda sekunjalo sesiphumelele. Ayikho into esingayenza. Ile nto eyenzeke la. Indida lento eyenzeke la. I-Orbit College ibulale yona ngenduku. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning the Betway Premiership 2025-2026 season. Into engiyaziyo nge-league, awuyiwini ungayideserve. Akusicup phela leli. Kuthi uzodlala ama-games awu 3 or 4 usune cup. This is a marathon, 30 games. A lot happens in between those 30 games. And for you to be victorious at the end by winning the Betway Premiership or winning the league speaks to character. Orlando Pirates deserves this. Abdeslam Owadu has delivered the league. Congratulations, Orlando Pirates. Imagine Usbisi lifting the league. Imagine Usbisi lifting the Betway Premiership title. Those were the words by some rival fans. Now we don't have to imagine now. We saw it. Sibone live jive. Usbisi lifting the Betway Premiership title. Icon. Anyways, ngibonile admin ye-Pirates eqalile ngalento zayo. Bafethu it's going to be a long week. Isazokhala kakhulu. Kuzofanele sibekezele. Ayikho yenze njani, kuzofanele sibekezele. Mara sevele
hayi bafana bakithi hayi khona. Sekucacile nje ukuthi thina sibangi neChiefs. Asibangi lento yabo kulokube istress ngathi hayi abayiyeke manje sekucacile ukuthi thina sibangi nabo bona babanga noMaZulu osikhukhune noswelele kanje. Yabo thina nje singenhla kakhulu abantu esibanga nabo manje ilaba bale eMorocco kumanje abayodlalela iStars esibili. Into sekufanele sibangeke manje nathi ukuthi nathi sekufanele siyodlalela ifinal yeStars esibili futhi ke nathi. Because le league bezizama ukubaphucana sesigcine sikwazile ukuthi baphuce. Bafowethu ake nehlisa umoya. Ehlisa nomoya nje bafowethu. Anibangi nathi ukuthi siwinile noma siluzile ningayi stress ngathi. Futhi ningaloku nisichapha ngeinhlamba. Ningalokhu nje nisichapha ngeinhlamba. Anizama nibheka abalandeli bamanye ama team noma amaZulu no Arrows kanje. Nibheke bona ke eniyodlala nabo CAF Confederations Cup. Thina sibanga neSundowns. Futhi kwayona iSundowns ibanga nathi. Yithi ngothuvu.
Ngikhumbula kuthiwa awusoze wabona uSibisi equbula iBetway Premiership. Imagine uSibisi equbula iBetway Premiership. But ngabona ukuthi mhlawumbe uba futhi didekile umeqonda ukuthi awusoze wabona uSibisi equbula iToyota Cup. Vele awusoze wabona uSibisi equbula iToyota Cup because Orlando Pirates aywadlala amacup angasilo Toyota Cup noma Kufe Cup but awusoze wabona uSibisi equbula iBetway Premiership. Engathula futhi ngathi mhlawumbe uba futhi didekile umeqonda iToyota Cup bafethu yabo. So labo keke bafethu abaphatha kambi lawo magama bafethu hayi bafethu nangu uSibisi equbula iBetway Premiership bafethu. Nangu uSibisi ephakamisa iBetway Premiership bafethu. Ikuphi okunye nifuna ukubona bafethu? Ayiyona iToyota Cup le. iBetway Premiership le bafethu. Bafethu levels bafethu. Yabo lento ukuthi sidlala nani sotho dape mase ngicathe sabangana nina no lamthuthu nina bafethu. Ni compete kulama cup la ngasile o Makufe Cup o Toyota Cup njike nishawe futhi kubona lawo macup angasile bafethu. Yabo mase sikhuluma ngoBetway Premiership o M28 like asekho ku level eyodwa bafethu. Asekho ku level eyodwa bafethu. Fana na week nangaphandle bafethu. Nidlala le CAF le ngasile le phashile le beta njengale Jersey le Cup. Thina sikule serious le star bafethu. Noma singakasuwini iStars sesibili but sine star bafethu yabo. So sometimes kumele nikhumbule nina no lamthuthu nina thina sompetha bafethu yabo. So vele ko lamthuthu bakuthanda ukubanga umsindo bafethu lamthuthu bafethu yabo. So laba ame befisa ukubona uSibisi equbula iBetway Premiership not iToyota Cup nangu nangu Sibisi equbula iBetway Premiership bafethu. Enye into futhi okumele sikhumbuzane yona bafethu, iPirates wena iTreble bafethu. Even iMamelodi Sundowns lenswempa ikazi wina ama-cup awu 3. Ayisoze yawina ama-cup awu 3 ngesizini eyodwa iMamelodi Sundowns. Lento saqala ukuyibona kwi-Orlando Pirates, sagcina ukuyibona kwi-Orlando Pirates, yaphindwe i-Orlando Pirates bafethu yabo. Mhlawumbe abanye bawina iTreble yeMakhufe Cup, mhlawumbe abanye bawina iTreble yeMakhufe Cup, ngabe mhlawumbe bawina iTreble yeToyota Cup. Kwayona iToyota Cup baxoxwa kuyo eyabo kubola mthuthu bafethu. Wema bafethu, thanks for cabanga ushawa igame yakho yokugcina. Bafethu kunzima ukubola mthuthu bafethu. Babona ukuthi bakaJonak bagqoka ijezi leCup ibrand engasile ukuthi imphuphe laba bantu laba.
Why do you have changed my life? You have changed my life because I'm not just one or two, but I'm a treble winning fan. Pirates won 3 trophies because of you. Like, listen, like, you know, Pirates we win league fanele ibe namanye ama trophy azohambisana nayo. Like, we did it the first one in 2011, we did it again in 2012, and now 14 years later when we win the league we have to have impelesi, guys. You know, we can't just win the league on its own. It must have other things. You know, we've been known as MTN 8 champions, the preseason champions alone. We've been known of Nedbank alone, but today we have 3 trophies, treble. I know people will say, "I treble must have Champions League." I'm like, wait, since when? What does treble mean? If let's start there, it means 1, 2, 3. We are treble champions. And let me tell you, why do my brother, I'm sorry for doubting you. I honestly did doubt you in the beginning. And also even last week, I was not happy with how things handled. But today, you showed that patience is indeed a virtue. Because look at us now. Look at us. And the non-believers and people who are going to complain, say we bought the game. Yeah, we might have maybe had luck today because we got 2 handballs. But you don't win the league on the last day. There are 29 other games where we played exceptionally. We also had Uchine having 21 clean sheets. Do you understand how insane it is? How insane that is? That means he only conceded in 9 games out of the 30. That is unheard of. It's a record on its own. It's just crazy. And people will tell me like, I know Pirates are lucky. Like, bro, there's no luck. Every department, from the goalkeeping department to the midfield department to the forwards department, everybody literally had a contribution. And also a person I want to mention, Aswin Abolis. I think he is someone that had one of the best breakout season or a debut season in a club. Like, I've never seen a player play so amazing. From the first day he started playing to the last day, there's never a time where like, okay, no, this guy is, you know, deep. He always raised the bar, you know. And between him and really this season, Aishem, it's gonna be tough for the people to vote who's going to be the player of the season, because between the two of them, they really showed up. They truly did show up. And listen, if we can take this form to the World Cup, guys, there's a lot we can do. There's a lot we can do. Congratulations to Pirates once again. We are the best team in the country. We have won 3 trophies out of the possible 4. That means we've done it, guys. We've done it. And listen, Pirates are easy, guys. Mile one. You must have a dessert. You must have a starter, a main course, and a dessert. So that is now a full meal. So that's what we've done. We've done it in 2012. We've done it in 2011. Now we're doing it again because Chancellor did it for us in 2011. Benny McCarthy did it for us in 2012, and this season Opie its head to like, don't worry.
We are those Kaizer Chiefs supporters. You see what you guys have done for us. People are saying, imagine CBC lifting the Betway Premiership title. Yeah, here you go. Power of the tongue. At least me now, I said that Sundowns is winning the league. Give it the league to Sundowns. So I was wrong in that aspect. Maralena, imagine CBC lifting the title. You guys, indirectly, you manifested it because here it is happening. CBC lifted the title. Orlando Pirates are Betway Premiership champions. I cannot believe I am saying those words. Orlando Pirates are Betway Premiership champions. I've seen it all. Our 2026 is AI. Straight, it's AI. This our Makelwane, next door neighbor. have won the Betway Premiership before us. They've won the Hubly before us. Yeah, we're in trouble. You know the cooking that's coming our way. I'm already facing them. People are sharing videos I even forgot I made about Orlando Pirates beginning of the season when I was looking for Orlando Pirates all over because I couldn't find them on the table. So I was looking around, looking in the dustbin, looking in the oven, looking in the fridge for Pirates. People are going back to that video and tag me in it.
Mina bengazi ukuthi Sundowns sisupporta namantombazana abafana abahlelo kumele iqiniso cause phela iPirates iwini le game yes ngama own goal. Okay, it's fine. Ake sibuyele back ebese sibuka indlela obekutreatwa ngayo ama games athile abalekile kwileague. Iwini iPirates League inamagoli amaningi ngisho wathi obesilingana ngama-point but kusukela thina ileague iqala kuze kube manje ukhona nomlandeli weSundowns obengaboni ukuthi kushubile la uliwa nathi. Ukhona nomlandeli weSundowns obengaboni ukuthi kahle kahle impi ibhekene nathi. Uyazi ukuthi ungathola ukuthi siyavalwa emagroupini athile sivalwa into engekho. Siyavalwa ko live abathile sivalwa ukuthi siyabatshela ukuthi musana ukuyitshela ukuthi nina you still have something to do. There is nothing to do. Yonke into ifinaliziwe iphelile. Awukwazi ukuphucwa icup yakho idominateile bese ucabanga ukuthi wena uzothatha icup ungayazi. 2016 wakwephi omunye wayese high school, omunye wayeshizile ubhuti wakhe ngamondli ehostela, omunye wayengafakelwa imali yokuthi edle esevarsity. Uzositshela ukuthi ufuna leyo cup. Akekho ucoach kwiSundowns okwaqashela ukuthi akaluze iCap ileague awini iCap. I-priority yokuqala kwiSundowns is to win ileague. Hayi ukuthi uluze ileague bese uyowina iCap. Kwaleyo CAF noma ungayiwina mfethu. Noma ungayiwina mfethu leyo CAF. Vele iSundowns usuyilimazile as a whole. iPirates yaziwa ngeMTN 8, ama-dominant eMTN 8. iSundowns yaziwa ngama-dominant ani e-league. iPirates iwinile eMTN 8 yayiwina i-league. iSundowns uzokhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma ngama-domestic cups. Uzokhuluma ngani kwi-domestic wena mawuthi it's fine ukuthi uluze ileague uyowina iCAF, uzokhuluma ngani kwi-domestic? Musana ukuyitshela ukuthi mhlambe there is something enginga-explaina engcono. There is no need ukuthi Sundowns iluze ileague through ama-officials, through abalandeli. There is no need. Nginitshela nje ivari mina. Asikho isidingo sokuthi Sundowns iluze le cup. Asikho. iSundowns ikwazile ukurecover from ama-point amaningi, couple of points iPirates ibilida ngawo. Uthe isifikile endaweni ukuthi ikwazi ukuphela ukudominate ama-point, ikwazi ukuphatha ama-point. Waqala lo coach wenu wafaka abadlali abathandayo. INedbank wafaka abadlali abathandayo. iLeague ufaka abadlali abathandayo. Akayiwini iCAF ahambe. Yilokho ngisho akayiwini iCAF ahambe. Cause iPirates kumanje ineMTN 8 ebhilonga kubona. Esebeyiwine kaningi ingazithathwa enye team. Baphinde bazothatha ileague yethu. Why thina singathathanga iMTN 8 bese bona bathatha ileague? Ngoba phela ukukhuluma lokho okuqalwayo njengamanje. Nina anibone nina kuqale ukukhuluma okukhulu kabi. Kodwa phela it's fine ngoba ngama-fans eSundowns amakhulu. Anibone ukuthi nakuqale i-communication ebhedayo enkulu. There is a big conflict ezoqala. Pirates uzosichomela ngeMTN 8 naye sayithatha ngopitso ngalesa sikhathi. Sichomela ukuthi siphuce ileague yethu. Uzobusathini? Hayi mfowethu hayi. Nina nama-fans okudlala nina. Ngama-fans okudlala. If umlandeli webhola there is something ufuna uyilose. There is something ufuna uwazi kahle ukuthi noma ngayiwina into ethile kodwa akufanele ngilose 1 no 2. Akufanele ngilose 2. Akufanele ngilose 1. So hayi bafethu, hayi fuck off indaba yenu, mina ngiyanitshela nje nina fuck off.
Ola bafowethu, it is Orlando Pirates 2 Bit College nokuthi umdlalo Betway Premiership kule eMbombela Stadium khona. Namhlanje lo mdlalo uhambe kanje. Orlando Pirates, they are confirmed champions of 2025-26 season we Betway Premiership. Lokhu kuzemva ukuthi bafethu, it was a very long season and they worked so hard to earn the victory bafethu at Betway namhlanje, even though bangiphoxile ngokungakori ku 180 minutes ukuthi 90 minutes about 2 kulandelana bengakori, but ke iObis yawenza umusa yavele yasifunza amanqaku amabili kuyiwona kasithatha yasibeka ku number 1 hayi nge-goal difference ngamaphuzu okuyiwona abalekile emidlalweni namhlanje. Orlando Pirates, they are confirmed champions of Betway Premiership 2025-26 season. Siyabonga kakhulu, it's been a great season, sayivala kahle, it's been a wonderful season. Ivalwe kahle kakhulu Machida from kuTheni, Sibisi, Siyema, Mbokazi, Mahopa, Tito Masanganye, Rilebohile Mfukeng, Apolisi, Hoto, Ndaba, Sibelebele. I lost count. There are a lot of players abenze kahle kakhulu lapha kwiBhakania, Umbatha baningi kakhulu ngendlela isimanga, Moremi, everyone that contributed to Orlando Pirates winning iBetway Premiership. Bafowethu siyabonga kakhulu, siyaphakamisa, niyohlezi nikhona emlandweni ku-history book, niyohlezi nithenqi, nihleli nthuli nithe ngcembe ngani ngoba we've had a team ekade lokhu iqeda ama-seasons win ama-league. Nina guys, your class of 2025 season 26 season, your class guys, your group is the one that won it for the country. I think this is for the country because all the teams, I think they were rallying behind you guys. Good, no man, someone needs to stop this train, someone needs to stop Mamelodi Sundowns from winning everything every season. Namhlanje bafowethu, it was confirmed that Orlando Pirates, they are the ones abakwazile ukunqoba isicoco seBetway Premiership bephuca iMamelodi Sundowns. Bafethu, I'm so proud, I'm very proud ngamajita.
Orlando Pirates asemnyama ngenkani lakhe umhlaba wamasipala zobhekisa phezulu. Sanibongela madoda ngokuthenga iligi ithola nje ikwiseli lapha ku-auction. Ingakho nje sithi ihahle mnyama bafowethu. Nami kube bengukhoza bengizoyithenga iligi. iPirates iyenze into ebingenziwa noma ubani. Into engithanda ngabo this time abathenga ngorefa. Sebethenga ama-team, cha umkhubo omuhle ke lowo. It's better ukuthenga i-team kube yona edliselayo, njengoba nje oBTC isihlathini irelegatiwe iyehlathi kuphume kubona ukuthi bayivuma ideal, not ureferee bafethu. Orlando Pirates ngiyanibongisa ngale strategy esisha eniqhamuke nazo. Mina bengiqala ukubona ugoalkeeper ephuma epalini ephanja ibhola elifake nethini yangakubo. Lokho kube obvious. Umlando lePirates konongqondo nosebenzayo uhappy ngewin ukuthi bayiwine kanjani uyazi sikisidinga ukuthi ngathukwana nabantu, uyakwazi ukuthi bayithengile league, it's fine. Even igoal lesibili ngidla noma ungiga angazi ubani ubonile nje wenzeni uweqisela ugoalkeeper asikho striker la kwi-PSL sikwazi ukushaya igoli nje, but ngalokho bafowethu mina ngiyanibongisa into eniyenzile. Number futhi noma nombani bengayithenga league kanje. Sesikhulu abanye abasabangakhuluma abantu eceleni, kodwa ileague sesikhwameni ilokho kudingakalayo. So mazophika kasho ukuthi isilima, kodwa iqinisa ke ungazi ukuthi ileague le ithengwe kuphelile. Kubhalo yabo. Mbuko nje na ngumuntu wokhala phana uyinikeza emnyama ngenkani ileague. Bafowethu ngiyanibongisa ngokuyithenga ilika niwinanga, because ngicacile ukuthi niwina ama-on goal o2 iPirates kuma big stages iyahluleka ukuwina. So kusebenza imali kakhulu lapha. Wonke umuntu kubonile lokho, osengaphika osengaba yisilima, kodwa wonke umuntu kubonile asivumelane nithathe nithengile league, that's it. Omunye uzothi nginomona, akusiwumona, mina ngikhuluma into ebona wonke umuntu. Nawe ongifuna ungiphikisa uyawazi lokho. Nengane na 3 kubonile. Mabhakaniyazi nami bengayithenga ileague.
What do you indala mfethu? What do you indala? That guy mfethu recently uthena I support i-Chiefs, we support i-Sundowns. I-Chiefs we support ugogo wakhe. I was like, what the fuck do you mean? Because numbers angazi ukuthi how did I end up supporting i-Pirates? But I know it's because of ugogo wami, because ikhaya mfethu ibhola silaze through ugogo mfethu. So angeke ngithi because na Sundowns sidominate be like ugogo mfethu angibhayizisa mfethu mina ngithanda i-Sundowns. But anyways, bafethu, shout out to Ipagapag, bafethu. It's late. Book is cut, dog. It's cut right now. It's 4:24. It's 4:24 ngibhizi lana ngenzana nama-video bafethu because you won the league. And even though I'll be honest, indlela esiwine ngayo nami mfethu namhlanje, I was expecting maybe like 3 goals from us, not our own goals, especially leyo qala yona nami mfethu ayingiphathi kahle because like it raises a lot of questions, but let's believe it's understandable. He was trying to clear the ball up, but okay, cool. But into engayisho ukuthi there's a kune-silence mfethu ekhona. I don't understand why. Ngiya-understand vele ukuthi as Pirates fans sibona ama-fans abangumsindo mfethu asirust thina because we've been winning mfethu ama-cups throughout for the last 5 years and asikaze saba ngumsindo mfethu. But I feel like most of us mfethu were disappointed with the way we won the league. We are happy with we won the league, but we are disappointed with how we won the league because namhlanje we're expecting the boys to come out full force and score amagoli. Same way we expected them to do with Durban City. We're expecting them to come out and win like game eScotland. And maybe umsindo ozoba khona if we won the league eScotland Orlando last week because I don't know what's going on, bro. To be honest, I don't know. Mhlawumbe ukuthi ku-late vele, mhlawumbe abantu will celebrate in the morning, but right now and after winning the league, like it was just quiet around my ngihlala khona, and I didn't like that. Not saying abantu bebengasha amavuvuzela, people were out there celebrating, but I'm just saying it was not what I expected in terms of like look at what Arsenal did, and I understand with Arsenal it took them isikhathi eside without i-silverware. Thina at least mfethu labo MTN labo Nedbank labo Carling, so ukucelebrate mfethu you get used to it, but I was expecting maybe like umfuthu something too, but yeah, ngiya-understand vele ukuthi indlela esiwine ngayo bafethu ayijabulisi bafethu. I'll be honest, yona you know bafethu ayijabulisi, I'll be honest, but I'm not discrediting ukuthi siwine league because i-league ayiwini ngosuku lokugcina, because i-league ayiwini ngosuku lokugcina because we've been consistent ever since lama first 2 games we lost. Ever since after wona we just kept winning and winning and winning and winning, so we deserve it. But namhlanje mfethu I feel like we didn't show up, especially Umremi. I wonder if Umremi scored igoli la aphaselwa khona police, and if urile converted la chance yakhe la shaya khona ipala, bra, everybody would be up in arms. Ngabe manje mfethu 4 ngabe ngaphandle ngiyacelebrate, but because of lama own goals la mfethu it makes it hard for me to celebrate because it feels like spiwe. I don't know if it makes sense of it, and I don't want to sound like I'm discrediting it yami or I'm not happy nge win. I'm just saying we could have done better. But at the same time, it's like bafethu sine treble. So what do you mean we don't deserve it? It's a lot going on, bafethu. It's a lot going on, but shout out to its teammate and to look at the squad teammate and see what a team made out of player amancane mfethu. Like I can see what if I fear playing Rivero or whoever came up with the play, if I fear playing Mpumi is working. So for next season, we need a star. Next season, if it's a star, no, I think star next season. If coach what we are because in the after a game, like umuntu who's ready to like go. And noma ngathi uyahamba mfethu angeke ngimsole mina because yo mfethu usinikeza i-league, usinikeza i-treble yamhlelo yami mfethu, ukwenzile wakhe mfethu, he played his part. So yeah, for next season mfethu I feel like we stinga a star because to be honest I feel like a star is more winnable than a league. I-league it's hard to win the league mfethu. It's hard to win the league, but ICAF once you get through Sundowns ne Al, it's yours to lose. And just imagine if Al and the Sundowns they draw each other, that means ukuthi you have a chance of sneaking ungene kufanele ngama-back door yabo. So yeah, I feel like ICAF is more winnable than i-league because i-league mfethu yo hayi league mfethu league inzima mfethu, I don't wanna lie. As Santos made uwin league look so easy that we took it for granted. Inzima lento mfethu, inzima. But anyways bafethu, we won the league. I'm happy. So angazi lapho ukuthi ngikhathele mfethu, I just want to sleep right now mfethu. Ngibuke ekuseni I'm celebrate with the chance, but right now shout out to the boys, shout out to the coach, shout out to management, and yeah ngizobona nini ka World Cup. Oh ma, kuze World Cup.